Get ready to charge your electric vehicle smartly at home with the Lectron Portable Level 1 Tesla EV charger. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to install, use, and get the best performance from this compact Wi-Fi-enabled charging solution. About the product, the Lectron Portable Level 1 Tesla EV charger Wi-Fi is a compact smart charger for Tesla and NACS-compatible EVs. It plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet and offers Wi-Fi app control for monitoring, charging, and managing schedules remotely. With portable convenience and built-in safety protection, it's ideal for home or travel charging. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Lectron Portable Level 1 Tesla or NACS charger, charging handle Tesla or NACS, NEMA 14 to 50, 5 to 15 plug, 40 amperes, 12 amperes, mounting tools, carrying case, user manual. Product overview. 12 amp portable EV charger, charging handle Tesla, NACS. Power status, charger connection status, charging status, error indicator. Connection setup. Download the Lectron app from Google Play or App Store or scan the QR code. Then create an account using and verify your email if needed. In the app, go to My Chargers, then Add Charger, select the portable charger model, and enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi details. Once connected, the charger will be added to your account for full app control and monitoring. How to use. To use the Lectron Portable Level 1 Tesla or NACS EV charger Wi-Fi, plug it into a 120-volt outlet and confirm the power light is on. Connect the Tesla or NACS plug to your vehicle until it clicks to start charging. When done, press the release button, unplug it, and store the charger safely. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.